guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Marvin, and today I'm in Miramar Lake, and I'm gonna get some crabs here or shells. Let's go in the stair.
Ah, may tao pa pala.
Look, there's a bridge.
Yeah,
Where?
later we'll go there. Later. We'll go down. Okay? Look at the other. Go
Tutu
fishing.
bird.
Tutu bird. Where?
Yeah. Ito sa taas.
Ah, may tutu bird din dyan.
Yeah.
Ay, water na pala dyan.
Oh, water na pala dyan. Di ka makakababa. Ay, di ka pa na makakawalk dyan dahil water na.
I saw sunset.
No.
And I can go here. I want.
No, hindi ka makakababa.
Why?
Hindi, mababasa ang ano mo.
Nakakita pa ako sa...
Ay, snail. Ayan o, snail.
Where?
Ayan.
Show them.
Ayan o, snail.
Where's the snail?
Ayan, ayan oh. So big.
This one?
Yeah.
I want to get that.
No.
Wala naman snail.
Ayan ang daming snail oh.
Where's...
Ay, doon, nagpipishing sila. Tignan mo, Bay. Doon, no, fishing, oh. Nagpipishing sila. Look.